Hey collectors, here is a look at Merman and Triclops from He-Man and the Masters of the Universe cartoon collection line by Mattel, and a little shout out to Vincent for helping me get both of these figures. For Merman, there is an illustration at the back of the card with him using the accessory included in this package, the Pearl of Power, plus the other figures available for this wave. Likewise, with Triclops, he has an illustration at the back of the card showing where he is using the accessory included, which is the rock softener, plus the other characters that are available for this wave. Out of their card backs, Merman comes with a mini comic book titled Perilous Powers, and this is what he looks like. On the clamshell, he comes with a trident plus the crystal ball. And going to Triclops, he also comes with a mini comic book titled Slime Lord, and this is what he looks like on the clamshell. He comes with his accessory, the rock softener. Each of the figure are held on the clamshell by plastic strips. I suggest removing them. From Merman, it's on the wrist and on the ankle. And for Triclops, it's on the ankle and near his elbow at the back of the clamshell to avoid damaging these figures. And here are the figures out of the clamshell. Both of them stands around 6 inches tall and has the basic articulation. But this time around, Triclops does not come with his sword and only Merman has his trident. And here is a look at the backside of the figures. It is very simple. This is what you can see in the Filmation cartoon series. You can put the figure in some simple poses. With Merman, once you find the balance for the figure, you can have him in some action poses. But again, I don't suggest you leaving any of your display without any display stand if you want to put them in some dynamic poses. The headgear of Triclops can be rotated, specifically where the eyes are, so you can choose what kind of eye format you want him to have at the front. And here again is where my problem for this cartoon collection line reappears. The new body is good if the character is based on a beast, but when you put it on a normal human with some mechanical augmentation on his body like Triclops, it makes him look like a midget. And this does not just apply for Triclops. It is very evident when you look closely at He-Man, Prince Adam, Man-at-Arms, and other human characters in this toy line. I really like the head sculpts for both of these characters, but still, Mattel has their signature fetish for muscular men in thongs. And for size comparison, here they are with Steve Rogers from Endgame and Han Solo Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back, both figures by Hasbro. With Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime by Jazzwares and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With He-Man and Skeletor from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with Ram-Man and Skeletor from Masters of the Universe cartoon collection line by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.